Alright, we're gonna put a dry ice bomb in this pile of leaves here. Whoa. Don't spill it, don't spill it.
DJ, Mimi wants to watch too. You make sure they're safe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where are the girls at? I'll stay up there.
Why?
Just do it.
This could get dangerous. Oh. Oh jeez. It's gonna be cool. Where do you have the cat?
Yep.
Whoa. You can barely see it.
Alright. Take this. I'm gonna screw the cap on. We're gonna run over there. I'm gonna cover it up with leaves, okay? You ready?
Yeah. Get back.
Whoa. Give me the camera.
Whoa! It was like a fish. That was cool. Where's the bomb? Where is it? Whoa! It disappeared. Where is it? I don't see it.
It disappeared.
Oh, here it is. Whoa, there's a hole in the bottom of it.
Do that again.
There's a hole in the bottom of it.
Oh,
All right.
that again, guys.
That was good.
What's in the title? I want to see
That was
what's
good.
in the